and this is H810M. Click to here. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using. If you are using Windows 10, so download, select Windows 10 and install the driver and download, because installations process same Windows 10 and 11. Okay, if driver is different, so but installations process same. So VGA driver and click to download. I already downloaded long file, 519 size, 5915, and just single click, and this is exe guys. If you extract, otherwise you just direct double click to copy to read only file, read only memory, and then try to install. Wait few seconds, it will show. Then click to yes. So it is done, and then close it.